Good day and welcome to Pomona Precinct in Kempton Park. This industrial park has 6 MIDI units, all sharing a centralized pumps and tank, as well as common entrance and guardhouse. The warehouse, measuring at 3,176 square meters as it stands. This offers plenty of space for any logistics and distribution company. This unit is built to dock height with 9 meters to the lowest eave. 3 roller shutter doors measuring at 1.35 meters and an outside canopy of 5 meters, allowing for deliveries even in inclement weather. Large pallet fiber reinforced flooring, rooftop sprinkler and 150 amps of power. It also has a mezzanine measuring at 448 square meters. This can be used as either office or showroom space. Outside is a large yard with 24 parking bays, 30 meters turning circle for your trucks. The asking rental is 70 Rand per square meter. This includes rates, taxes, levies and ops costs. Don't miss out on this opportunity. To arrange a viewing, call FIRZT Realty head office and ask for Matt Damon.